how to edit checkout page in Shopify. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to of course open our Shopify app right here and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on our settings. So just go here on the bottom left corner of the screen and then click the settings icon. Once you click that, the next thing that we need to do is to click the checkout. So in this part, this is where we're going to customize all of our checkout page right here. So you can see the customer contact method, the customer information, marketing options, tipping, checkout language, and so on. Now, in the customer contact method, so upon checkout, if you want to acquire their phone number or email, you can do that by clicking this one. However, if you only want their email, you can also just, of course, check this one right here. But of course, I will just leave it as it is. And then on the show a link for customers to track their order with shop. If you want to show your customer the link that shows where their product is, you can of course highlight the checkbox right here. And then for this one, if you want to require your customers to log into their account before checkout, you can also check this one right here, but I highly encourage it so that there will be no spammers. And then let's go here on the customer information. So if you want to require your full name, you can also do that for the company name. So it's up to you. And of course, for the address line too, if you want to also avail that. And if you also want to request that, it's up to you. Same goes for the shipping address, phone number. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. Of course, up to you if you want to do it. And then on the marketing options, you will see here that we have an email and SMS. Now, if you turn this on, if you toggle this on both, there will be a checkbox for customers to sign up for email or SMS marketing. So if you want to do that, you can just toggle this one right here. Now, if you want to customize it, all you have to do is to just click the customize labels right here. Now, currently, Shopify has an ongoing deal wherein you will only need to pay about $1 for the first 3 months for the basic, grow, or advanced option. So if you want to avail that deal right now, all you have to do is to go down below the description box or check the pinned comment section and then just click the link right there, and that's it. Now going back into our video, once you're now here, you can of course customize the checkout and system right here, which is the checkout payment. So if you want to put something right here in this part, if you want to edit that, it's up to you, but I will just leave it as it is. And then let's go back right here in this part. Now, on the tipping, if you want the customers to add tip into your order, you can do that. So if you want to do it, you can just put a check right there. And then for the preset 1, preset 2, preset 3, it's up to you which percent you would like to have. So let's say for example 5. Let's say for example this one is 10, and then for this one is 20. So it's up to you, of course. Now there's also an option if you want to hide your tipping options until customer choose to add a tip, you can do that. And then for the checkout language, if you want to change your checkout language, just click edit checkout content right here. So make sure that you, of course, first save this one. So I'm just going to leave it as it is since English is the universal language. And then for the advanced preferences, you can put the address collection and then, of course, add to cart limit if you want to limit how many products does the customer can take or order in your shop. And then for the checkout rules, so you can add more checkout rules right here by just, of course, downloading apps in your Shopify app store. So once you click that right here, you will have a bunch of options in which you can download, of course, for your checkout page. So just choose which one you prefer right here, but I will just leave it as it is. And once you're now done with this, just click the save button. Now, if you want to edit the design of your checkout page, you can just go here on the online store. So just click right here and then go here on the customize button and then just look for your checkout page. So you can just go here on, of course, one of your products and then just go here and click buy it now. And then once you, of course, click buy it now, you will not be able to see the checkout page right there. You can just edit it the way you want to or into your likings. And once you're done, just of course click the save button right here, and that should be it. So that is basically it. That is how to edit checkout page in Shopify.